Here in Minnesota, we know how to live. Winter is long, summers are short, and there is so much to do. We're fearless by nature. And for more than 80 years, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Minnesota has been a part of that, helping people all over Minnesota live free of worry, free of fear, now and in the future. With the confidence that comes with the strength of the cross and the security of the shield, and the freedom to go where life takes you, even if that's right in your own backyard. Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Minnesota. Live fearless.